Hi guys, this is Anne here, and I'm recording on my phone and my tablet. So there's my phone. There's my tablet. And wow, do you know on this I can stop the video, as you can see, people watching on my phone, and people, look, I can do it on here, guys. It's the same as yours. I can do the same as yours. So at least I can stop them on both. And I'm just gonna put you guys in place. So now I have like 2 views, people watching my tablet, people watching my phone. These will be going on 2 different channels. This one might be going on my gaming channel, which will be Expo Shadow X, or a new one which I'm gonna call it Shadow Central. So watch out for that, and I might film at my Energize Club I'm going to. And I could have, like YouTubers, they like record vlogs in the day. I could have got one of them, but I couldn't get my phone or the Google Play thing. So yeah, that's why I didn't get it. It's called a Flipper. Then to upload it and stuff, there's be a button on there or there. You just push it down, then out pops up this thing, and you plug it in and do it. So you record on it, and you hold it up this way. You see, you hold it up that way, and it's skinny like that. So you hold it up long ways. So yeah. But I'm gonna get it next time in 4 weeks, because I get a tenner a week, starting from next week. So I'll be taking my phone to Energize, obviously, since it's my new one. And now I have 2 camera views. And what? Oh no. Sorry about this, guys. I'm going to have to stop you there, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call from my friend. And yeah, that one will be in 2 different parts because I've been interrupted. So yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just a random video, as you can see, but I might do a football video in a minute. So that camera would be here, and I'd probably either pop this one here, or I'd hold it, or I'd put it in a different angle, like here. Hello. Like there. Hello. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this was just saying if it would work. So hopefully, but you can see on both camera angles, we're looking at each other. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be mostly recording on my phone, but I won't be able to put my main account on here because I forgot my password and I have to mess about with it. But I'll try to get it in. If I can't, I'll let you know. But this channel will be called Shadow Central, and I'm gonna add a shadow picture. So yeah, of Sonic. So I'm gonna place you there, so I'm not moving you around. Put you there. Hopefully, I think Mr. V's in the way. I'm just gonna leave him there and go away. Speaking to my dad. And I might film me playing a game on my tablet or my phone. Probably my tablet, since it's bigger and since it's got the game on there. Because I brought balloons, because I've got the Google account, which the money's on. I put the Google account on both so I can play it on both. But the reason why I would play it on my tablet, because it's bigger and it's not working on my phone because the device isn't right. So yeah, because on my old phone it was suitable. That was because that was a bigger one than that, but this one was better. So yeah, and I was so glad I got it in white. Yeah, as I said, the other camera view, which would have had 5 pixels, and this one only has 2, even would have been better and bigger, and I could have got balloons. But the problem was I couldn't get balloons because I wouldn't even have it because I would have needed to pay for it, which I wouldn't have enough money. So yeah, and this is just a vlog of 2 cameras, it's going to be called. And I'm going to have to create Shadow Central, this channel. For that, my gaming channel, you may or may not saw it. I posted a video this morning, a survival challenge with music and stuff, so go check that out. And the video I found on my tablet, which nobody saw, or nobody saw my other one I did earlier, I edited that on the computer. So yeah, even though I filmed it with my tablet, yeah, but that was just an intro, and I added music at the end. And yeah, I said they had no views. Well, I've just checked, and now we have loads. So let's hope we can keep the channel growing, guys. Let's hope we can keep the channel growing. And yeah, and yeah. I don't know what else to say really, and I can't go outside because it's wet, and I'll have to put the camera on the floor, and it's wet. So I can't do that. So I might have to do it in here, which we don't mind, do we? I need to charge my phone up for running, guys. I don't know if I'll be like recording it. I'll ask if I'm allowed. I'll ask Roy if I'm allowed, but not sure if I will be. Will it? So, still recording. Is this one still recording? Yeah, so, yeah guys, so, I think that's going to be all for the vlog. And, yeah, I'll see you later. People on my phone. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Oh yeah, and by the way, the camera might look not good. It might look awful, but yeah. I'll see you guys later. Peace.